Morning folks, a quick little video again of the VH253, but just before it gets taken down for some more goodies, we're going to put a proper valve train along here and get some roller rockers. I've just finished my little headers off as well. Not too much space in the Commodores, so they're a pretty small set. Bit short for what I'd like, but they still come in at 6100, I think it was. This little thing revs to 7, so catch a few RPM with them. And we'll do some sump mods as well. I had a couple of clearance issues trying to make things out of the car on a couple of bits. Headers, 38mm primaries, all handmade. Going down into 44mm secondaries and out into 2.5 inch. So we'll get that apart this morning and we'll get it ready for its new engine bits and pieces. Mainly valve train. I also think I might have stuffed up my ring gaps. I think I might have gone a little bit big. So a good friend of mine's going to teach me how to do those properly, which will greatly help. Alright, signing out till the next one. See you later, fellas.